Hello, my name's Justin and this is my MacBook Pro, and I bought it in early 2011, which means it has the i5 processor and 2 slots memory cards with a total of 4 megabytes, which isn't a lot. It's slowing down and I need to upgrade the memory. So I went online and bought these crucial memory replacement cards, and they can have 8 each, and there's 2 of those, so that will increase it to 16 overall, hopefully freeing up a lot of information and making the whole thing a lot faster. So back up everything first, iCloud, and on a separate hard drive, make sure it's all backed up. Shut your computer down, let it cool down if it's warm, and then turn the MacBook over. Now, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a tiny titchy little one, bigger than glasses one slightly, but you might be able to do it with glasses ones, or the smallest bit you've got, and take out the screws. There's 10 in all, and make sure that you arrange them on a nice separate white piece of paper in the same order that you take them out. Some are longer and some are shorter, so they have to go back in the same place. So once all the screws are out, you should just be able to, let me see, I've never done this before. There we go. I'll lift the panel off. And then here we are. Here is the memory cards. Okay, so now we are inside. This is the memory card here that we're replacing with these ones, the 2 gig for the 8. So first of all, you pull these 2 little levers apart, and it just pops up at about a 25-degree angle, and you slide it out. This one, and then I believe you do that again. Yeah, and the bottom one comes out. A bit trickier to get out. Tricky angle, that one, the bottom one. To get it out, you have to be patient and wiggle it with your fingers. I'm getting there. Okay, so that bottom one was trickier. I had to get 2 little fine drill bits to just catch those little semicircles to lift it out, because I couldn't get my fingers under it because of the angle. But it's out. Time to open the crucial memory. I bought these on Amazon. They were, I think, about 70 quid. They are for this particular MacBook, which is an early 2011. You've got to check your specs for your model. They differ slightly in the speed they can process and how much memory there is. So just take a look underneath the list of details in Amazon, and you'll be able to look at your own computer and check your computer details by clicking the Apple and saying about this a Mac, and then all the information you need is there. I'm not sure which way round they go in. I don't think it matters that much. Now, when I picked these 2 out, that was the underneath and that was the top with the sticker. So you check it against the new ones. You can see the chips are much larger, and there's more of them. It's pretty obvious which is the top side with the sticker on. So now to see if I can get this back in. There we go, now it's simple. Should click down into place. And the top ones are even easier. Push it down, clicks into place. That seemed fairly straightforward, if not a little fiddly. Touch as little as possible, but remove any obvious dirt you can see. And then it's time to replace the top, which is also filthy. So I'll give that a quick wipe down. And there you go, simple as that. All you've got to do is replace the screws, making sure that the long three go in there, there and there. As long as you set them out and haven't bashed them about whilst you're doing the job, it's pretty straightforward. And then we'll turn it on and check what memory we've got. So, let's start her up and see what happens. I think it's got my little photo, so it hasn't completely forgot who I am. I'm an amateur at this, so I'm not sure whether everything's just going to be there on my in Finder when I log back in, or whether I have to download everything from iCloud or a hard drive. So there you go, it would appear I am in, and the magic of iCloud brings them all back. We see that. How far do they go back? Yeah, beginning in the noughties, and they are all there. Oh, that's lovely. So, oh, and there are my files. Fantastic. Yep, it even remembers the sites that I was last visiting, which includes MacBook Pro, how to remove or install memory, Apple support, and work stuff. This is where I took my instructions from, Apple support. There's all the models there. Mine was the early 2011 MacBook Pro, which had a base memory of 4 gigabytes, and it says maximum of 8 megabytes. I've actually put 16 in mine, 2 8 cards. Everyone tells me online that that's fine with the processor I've got. Let's have a look at about my Mac and see what it says now. Memory, look at that, 8 and 8. Before it was 2 and 2, and it was full and it was slow. And now I've got more memory than I know what to do with. Everything's taking a bit longer to load. I guess that's because it's just pulling everything down from iCloud again. What are you doing out of bed?
I just want to tell you something about parents. I wrote down the name because I can come and say Justin like that.
Yep.
Ella can come and say Emily. Evie can come and say Claire, like that. You can say their name. And Dad. Ella can say Mum.
100% success. I now have a Mac which has more memory than the same memory as the most expensive one on the market, the most expensive and latest. And this is a 5-year-old computer now. Fantastic. Tune in again soon.